Dry firing a revolver, always make sure it is empty and be overly redundant in making sure. And make sure every time. Single action is the most accurate way to fire your revolver because it requires the most gentle trigger squeeze after cocking the hammer back. Double action requires much more pressure on the trigger to cause the cylinder to turn and the hammer to cock. This extra effort pulling the trigger and the mechanical movement involved can affect your accuracy. Dry firing to learn the mechanical action of your gun allows you to know when the cylinder has turned, the hammer is back, and further squeeze of the trigger will fire the gun. Practice in the act of getting your gun ready to fire by pulling through until that final point, then finishing the trigger squeeze after you have adjusted your sight picture, and you will get to the point you can fire double action practically as well as single action.